The sound, I applaud you, Apple. Well done, well done, well done. This is cool. AirPod Pro from Apple. I've been waiting for so long for this, and I got it as a gift. So I'm so excited to discover what's inside. Okay, let's see. Let's open the box. You can even open it with one hand. Oh, you can open it with one hand. Yeah. So, ooh. Okay. Jolie. That's cute. Actually, it is. That's the box. That's the way it comes. That's the way it comes. So I think the size of the box is small as well. It's small and is pocket friendly, which means you can put in your pocket easily, and yeah, you can actually write your name on it though. That's why it's my name there. You can put your name on it. And then that's the box. So let's see what else is in the box. And this is just the holder. Oh, that's the cable. I think charging cable comes with it. And what's that? Oh, this is, I think is the headphone cushion or something. I think you put it on top of the headphone. Let me try and open it. Oh, these ones can put it on top. There is two of it, two different sizes. So if your hair is smaller, so you can use the smaller one. And if it's hair, this is actually a good idea though. So it comes with wireless charging case, and it's compatible with iPad, Apple Watch, and iOS device. So yeah, it's good. Now we're just gonna try connect it to the phone and see. Let's see how it's gonna. So we just open it. So actually, once you open it, it just automatically gives you option to connect. Look at that. That's it. So you just press connect. That's cool, isn't it? Yeah. Press once on the headphone. Okay. Just telling you what to do basically. So we're just gonna test it. Oop. I'm gonna try it out and see. It's funny. I'm gonna take it off. Really? Why? Why is it so hard to take off? Oh. It's actually hard to take it out from the box, which means you can't actually lose it that easily, because you really have to take it off yourself. It can't fall down, which is good. So yeah, we're gonna try it. Try some music. Actually, wait, this is comfy in the hair. It's actually, wow. Wait, I feel like mine is blocked. I can't hear no face. What the? Okay, wait. What? Wait, man. I just put in the hair. It's like it block all the noise from outside. That is so cool. I'm not even playing the music here. Wow. Okay. I can't even hear anything. This is nice. Okay, let's try the music. Oh my God, seriously. I was like, wait, am I going deaf? Because I couldn't hear anything. No, I think this one is big for me. I need a small one. it's falling. This is quite big for my hair, so I'm gonna change it to this smaller one and see, because it's falling off. So I'm gonna do it. Ooh, okay. So I'm gonna try the smaller one. It's so cool. Yeah, it's actually a bit harder to take off, but to put it back on is, yeah, I think it's easy. So it's hard to take off. Look, you have to pull a little bit. Look. Right, this is hard to take off, but to put it on, my hands on the way now. To put it on is actually easy. Oh, wait, okay, now it's not easy. Okay, it's easy to put it back on, but it's hard to take off. Let's try this one now. I'm actually excited. I'm so excited. Okay. Ooh, this is cool, guys. What is cool? No. What? This is cool. Okay, let's play some music again. Ciao. It's actually so good. I can't hear anything from outside, so the noise cancellation. This is cool. What? No, I don't even feel. I don't feel like I have anything in my hair right now, but it's like. Let's put the volume up and see. What? Wait, guys, it's so nice. So apparently you can actually activate noise cancellation by only like pressing on your hair like once. Let me try that. It's like, yeah, so you can press to cancel the noise, and then you can press so you can be able to hear the noise outside as well. This is just cool. The it's so cool. This is just very like cool. Like wait. I don't even know what to say. Like seriously, the sound. Applaud you, Apple. Well done. This is cool. Like you can, if you want to hear the sound outside, you activate it. If you don't want to hear any sound outside at all, only like music and stuff, you activate it just by pressing like this. This is cool. It's cool. And after listening to both AirPods, so I'm gonna give you my opinion, what I think. But you can see already from the video that I actually was excited when I heard about this one. It is good. So overall, I'm giving Apple AirPod 10 out of 10. They did well. It is good. And this one, it did well too. I'm giving them like 9. It's good. It's good. So 10, 9. So not much different. You can just get it the sound you want. Really, it's good. If your budgets allow it, then go for it. Why not? Treat yourself. If your budget doesn't allow it, then go for this one and treat yourself as well. It's good. They're both good. So guys, because it's my first product review, so I'm doing giveaway of this i18. So if you're interested, comment down below when, then I will send it to you. I will choose the winner. Actually, I will choose the winner, then I will send it to you. So who's gonna be the lucky guy, the lucky girl? So i18 Don't forget to like, subscribe, so I can announce the winner on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Stay blessed. Mwah.